Love crafting? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, there's always something magical about creating something with your own hands. The joy of transforming everyday items into unique pieces of art is truly unparalleled. Today, we're diving into 5 quick and easy DIY hacks that will not only unleash your creativity, but also add a personal touch to your life. So, gather your supplies and let's get started. Here are 5 quick DIY hacks to unleash your creativity with everyday materials. First up, personalized gifts. Personalized gifts are a fantastic way to show someone you care. They carry a piece of your heart and effort, making them priceless. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to create something memorable. Have a plain mug lying around? You might think it's just an ordinary mug, but with a little creativity, it can become a cherished keepsake. Grab some oil-based markers, doodle your heart out, then bake the mug at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Voila! You've just created a one-of-a-kind piece that's perfect for gifting or even for your own use. Imagine sipping your morning coffee from a mug that showcases your artistic flair. You've got a unique gift in minutes that's sure to impress. Personalized mugs are not only functional, but also serve as a daily reminder of your creativity and thoughtfulness. Next, let's talk DIY home decor. Your home is your sanctuary, and adding personal touches can make it feel even more special. Take a simple mason jar, give it a coat of paint, and add some fairy lights or fresh flowers. This simple project can transform an ordinary jar into a stunning piece of decor. Instant rustic charm for any room. Whether you place it on your bedside table, your kitchen counter, or your living room shelf, it's sure to add a touch of elegance and warmth. It's a quick, easy way to breathe new life into your space. Plus, it's a great way to recycle and repurpose items you already have at home. On to the third hack: t-shirt tote bags. We all have old t-shirts that we no longer wear, but instead of throwing them away, why not give them a new purpose? Got an old t-shirt you don't wear anymore? This hack is perfect for those shirts that hold sentimental value but are no longer in style. Transform it into a reusable tote bag with just a few cuts and knots. No sewing needed. This project is not only fun, but also eco-friendly. You'll be reducing waste and creating something useful. It's eco-friendly and super stylish. Use it for grocery shopping, beach trips, or as a casual everyday bag. The possibilities are endless. Now, for some easy wall art. Wall art can be expensive, but with a little creativity, you can create your own masterpieces at a fraction of the cost. Grab a canvas, painter's tape, and your favorite colors. This project is perfect for those who love to paint but might not have advanced skills. Use the tape to create geometric patterns, paint over it, and peel the tape away. The result is a stunning piece of art that looks professional and polished. There you have it. Instant, custom decor that looks like it came from a high-end store. Hang it in your living room, bedroom, or even your office to add a splash of color and creativity. Finally, let's make some cozy candle holders. Candle holders can add a warm, inviting ambiance to any space. Wrap lace around a glass jar, add a tea light, and you've got a beautiful, glowing centerpiece. This project is perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere for a dinner party or a relaxing evening at home. Perfect for adding a warm, inviting touch to any evening. The soft glow of the candle through the lace creates a magical effect that's both soothing and enchanting. Unleash your inner artist with these DIY hacks. Each project is simple, fun, and incredibly rewarding. So what are you waiting for? Grab your supplies and start creating. Like, comment, and subscribe to Smart Hacks for more creative ideas. Stay crafty, friends. Your next masterpiece is just a DIY project away.